Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I am doing 4K at 60 frames per second on a Poco phone, and then I'm going to put it against the GCAM. A lot of people have been asking about stabilization on the 4K at 60 on the Poco phone. The stock camera app does not have any type of stabilization, which I'm about to show you. The GCAM app that I'm using, the APK, it says that it does. So we're going to test it out and see if it actually makes a big difference. But this is the stock camera app. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Well, I'm going to just start walking. I'm going to try to film the same area so y'all know, but I can't put them side by side because the voice is going to be different. I can't say the exact same thing twice. That would be kind of weird. I can even zoom in. I go all the way back out. But what y'all think? Look at the stabilization. It's probably a little shaky, a little bumpy. But yeah, I'm just holding the phone. As you can tell, look at my shadow. But look at the colors too. I like the Poco phone. I'm actually really loving it. I don't care about 4K at 60 because I don't really shoot in it. And if I did, I would just buy a gimbal. But what y'all think? Y'all let me know. I'm going to come back with the GCAM app. And we can compare them. Until then, peace. Okay, everyone. So this is the GCAM app, APK, whatever you want to call it. 4K at 60 frames. Look. Slow pan. What y'all think about the colors? Again, how's the audio? I don't really care. But how's the stabilization? Again, I'm just walking, holding the phone, and I'm talking. Let's compare it to the stock app. The stock app, but, how does everything look too? The GCAM, the photos look really good. I don't know about the photos. Look, I'm just holding the phone. I'm going to try to take the same little path, but, again, just stabilization really. I don't care about how the video looks as far as the colors, because people have been asking about stabilization at 4K at 60. So that's what this test is about. Yes, it is still hot in Texas, by the way. If y'all didn't know that, it's hot. It's very hot. But how's the stabilization look? I'm just walking, holding the phone. But y'all let me know. Pick a winner. Pick which one you like the best. If you actually like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on the Poco F2 Pro. Follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out.